Hello, boys and girls. I hope you are very well. I have one of my most charming places that you can visit with your family, friends, neighbors, and acquaintances. Today I want to show you the city of Idaho. I present the tourist Idaho tourist place. Imagine one place beautiful. Imagine next exports the port serves. Imagine three is description place is beautiful and big and attractive. Next the food. Next the museums is is in the part of Canada of Idaho. The island observe big and interesting place. The landscape next. One and two. Okay, if you don't want to miss out on the beautiful adventures we are waiting for you to enjoy this charming place. Mm, until next time. Bye.